Today's video I'm going to be showing you the goggles, the motion controller, and I've got my Mini 4 Pro drone. Now if you notice, I've got it in the cradle because it comes with a cradle. Now if you check out this guy here, he shows you a really simple way of putting this on. I mean, when I first got this, God, it was so messing about. Anyway, watch the video, what he done. Easy peasy, and it's a great way of traveling. Nothing gets damaged, so check out that video. But today we're trying out the goggles, head tracking. Guys, if you got this for Christmas, and I imagine a lot of you did, you're gonna love it. But please check out my how to connect your Mini 4 Pro with all this stuff, because it's amazing. It's a bit of a palaver setting it up, but once you've done it, you're gonna love it. Anyway, what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to get everything ready and then we get straight into it. So first thing you do, guys, you turn on your Mini 4 Pro and then put it out to where you want it to take off. Because what it is, there is a process. So next thing I always do is turn on the goggles. I've got my whingy dog here. I'm gonna just put on this. Well, what's gonna happen? You're gonna once you turn it on. Okay. I just love my dog sometimes. When I do these things, I don't know why I ever take her out of me. Right, there you are. She loves it. No, what will happen? You hear beep beep. That means it's all connected. So I have to remove my goggles a minute just to make sure everything's fine. On the top of your goggles, you want to bring up the top one, press the record, because I'm going to show you guys what's going on the screen. So you can see there now. Now I'm just going to go across, and then you see it's highlighted head tracking. So you press on that. Yeah, so it's on now. So you can come out of that now. And all we got to do now is get that drone up in the air. So, I'm just going to put my glasses down safely, don't put my foot on them. So on your motion controller, if you double press that, that will set the props up. And if you put your finger on it, just press it, the drone will take off. Okay, now one thing I've learnt about this hand controller is you've got to keep that hand controller still. If you don't, it's going to go, if I put it down like this, it just spins. Okay. Because I've got my controller like that, you can see that my drone's spinning around, which you don't want. So you've got to make sure that your drone, I'm just going to turn it around so it's facing me. Okay. Now at the moment, it looks like the, I know what it is, because the tracking is upwards. So, let's take my goggles off again. Let's just get this lined up a minute. Okay, that's it, that's fine. Okay. So you can see the little circle. I can see my dog. So if I turn that way, and you've got to really turn to make it noticeable. And if I turn that way, this is what, I mean, you're going to see the benefits of this in a minute, because just want to do the demo first. So if I look upwards, what happens? The drone doesn't go up, the gimbal goes up. And it's the same if I look down, the gimbal looks down. Okay. So I'm just going to bring that zero, see, I've got a cross on my screen. Okay. If I just bring that around, okay. So the use of the controller is that I can raise the drone up. Okay, I'm going to put my finger on the stick now. So we're going to take the drone off on one. And we're just going to raise up the drone a bit, give it a bit of height. Now you'll see down in the bottom left the distance and height. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going straight, but I'm going to look that way, and it's still going straight. I mean, what I love about this is just like you're in an airplane. You're sat in the airplane. I'm just going to bring it up a bit. I'm just going to bring it around. But while I'm turning it, I'm just looking down. I mean, to me, it's just, I love it. It's so, see, now you can see your home point there. Okay, I'm flying towards it. And I can look down. And I can look over there. I'm still flying that direction. So you can see, I'm just going to bring it around now. So you still got control of the drone because you're using your motion controller. Okay. And I can just look about. The drone's still going on its course. It's just bizarre. I mean, I love it. It's, you know, okay, maybe I ain't got the best location for going out and visiting somewhere. I'm just going to go over this direction here. But what I love about this is that I can look down now, I can look on the ground, see if there's any rabbits about. No rabbits about. I can look over that way. No, nothing about. Now, also remember, obviously you've got your avoidance on anyway. So you know, you're not going to go into anything. And we're just coming over to this viewpoint here. And as I get to it, I can just sort of stop the drone in a minute. Okay, I'm just sort of flying above this viewpoint here. I can stop now. I can look down. I can look up. I can look that way. And remember, this is all going through the drone camera. Yeah? Okay, so now when I carry on again, so I press the lever. We're coming back now. It should pick up my home point in a minute. I mean, that's the other good thing about these goggles. You got your home point. Yeah, so you can see the home point now. I'm coming back to it. There's a building there that I want to have a nose at. As I'm flying back towards me, I can look down. The drone's still going on its correct path. I can look at that. I can still look at it. Well, it's still coming back towards me. I mean, God, guys, what fun. Right, I'm going to bring it down now. Let's bring it down. So what you do, you press the orange button. And as you press the orange button, that will bring the drone down. Right, just before we have a little chat, shut down everything first, guys, because I know so easy to forget sometimes. So you just turn the drone off. And just make sure that those little green dots disappear. Turn off your controller. Because it happens, doesn't it? You think you turned it all off. And you put it away in your bag. You're driving home. And you can hear this bleeping going on in the back of your car. And you think, what the hell's that? Anyway. Hope you enjoyed that. I have great fun doing this. But unfortunately, because I make tutorial videos, I need to get back onto my Mini 4. But I do love it, and this is the first time I've tried out head tracking. I love it. I mean, I love the idea. I just pat my dog. I love the idea of flying with the drone, because you're in the drone itself, and you can just look around, and the drone's still going on its course. That is what I love. Anyway, I hope you found it interesting. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. But guys, just enjoy flying your drone, and I'll catch you in another video very soon.